Allah says in the Quran, and he to whom shaitan becomes a companion, what an evil companion he is. Do you see that? Allah is telling you clearly, shaitan is not your friend. Yet maybe without even realizing it, you've allowed him to become your companion. You've made a friendship with him, quietly, unintentionally, without noticing. And if he becomes your companion, he becomes the most dangerous companion you could ever have. Do you want to know how he does it? How he targets you subtly, without you realizing? Shaitan doesn't force you to sin. He nudges. He whispers. He triggers the weakest parts of your heart and mind, the part that reacts before you even think. Think about it. Maybe you were scrolling on your phone late at night, thinking, just a quick peek, nothing wrong here. And suddenly, before you realize it, you find yourself doing something you know is wrong. And then you're shocked. What am I doing? I wasn't supposed to do this. You didn't plan it. You weren't aware. That's shaitan at work, influencing you quietly. That's how powerful he is. But listen closely. Allah is far more powerful than shaitan. Look at the world. Countries fight, storms rise, storms settle. Chaos comes and goes, all under his control. If he can manage the universe, the storms, the battles, imagine the control he has over shaitan and your heart. Allah also warns in Surah Al-Baqarah 168, do not follow the footsteps of shaitan. Indeed, he is to you a clear enemy. Footsteps, not leaps, not sudden attacks, small, unnoticed steps until you're standing somewhere you never intended. The truth is, you're not powerless. Once you recognize the whispers, the triggers, the patterns, you can stop them. One conscious step back towards Allah and He will meet you halfway. Shaitan wants you to drift, to feel numb to his nudges. But you're watching this now. Your heart is awake, and Allah's power is greater than every whisper, every nudge. This video found you now, because once you understand how shaitan works, you can act. Once is enough. Guard your heart. Don't let shaitan sit as your companion. Type one action you'll avoid after this video.